everyone. We're going to be focusing on Google Cloud Services this evening. We will be discussing cybersecurity principles and the mechanisms that can be built from them, minimizing risks, threats, and vulnerabilities, how to go about securing ports in the cloud, when updates are performed, how long it takes for vulnerabilities to be found and fixed, and mobile device security and the part that AI can play in it. Cybersecurity principles. First thing that we'll cover is the CIA triad, which is confidentiality, integrity, and availability, least privilege, separation of duties, and authentication. Like I mentioned, these are all security principles, meaning that mechanisms that can be formed from them are going to be security based. These are all principles to make your system more secure. Next, we have ways that Google Cloud helps to minimize risks, threats, and vulnerabilities. Now, their system will automatically check to make sure that no personal email addresses are being used in their system. They will also use multi factor authentication to make sure that it is you signing in. This will help identify, or this will help with identity and access management. They have a key management service as well that makes sure the keys are rotated at least every 90 days. To be able to access their cloud storage, they use different things like access control lists as well as the identity and access management. Now, their cloud SQL does require all incoming connections to use SSL. It also makes sure that these instances are not open to the world. Now, they do include many other safety measures to prevent many different types of attacks. Securing ports are typically just like if you're securing a port on regular network, it goes through, helps prevent unauthorized access, helps prevent brute force attacks, and reduces the attack area uh, on your system. Now, Google Cloud updates work differently depending on the service. Uh, they have automatic updates for base images and security patches, manual updates for deployments and environments via the console or CLI. And then they have managed rolling updates for instance groups to minimize downtime. Now, the vulnerability windows, and what I'm talking about here is how quickly it is found and how quickly it is fixed after being found. This is all based on a risk appropriate timeline aimed for uh, the more severe the vulnerability, the quicker it gets fixed. Now, mobile device security, a few things that our company would need to go through and do is establish a clear bring your own device policy. It should outline security requirements, the employee responsibilities, and what needs to happen when the employee either gets fired, quits, whatever the case may be. Now, we do need to implement security software uh, to enforce the different policies, such as strong passwords and encryption. We need to go through and enforce strong authentication, require strong passwords, multi-factor authentication, have a zero trust security model, uh, to restrict access from unmanaged devices or block downloads to prevent data exfiltration. We need to make sure that we're training our employees, make sure that they understand uh, what's expected of them on their devices and what our requirements are going to be. Now, AI can go through and help with this by managing real time threat detection, They do have enhanced authentication procedures that include facial recognition and then stronger data encryption. So these are different things that uh, mobile device, or I'm sorry, that AI can go through and help with. Thank you for your time.